Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making couscous. You guys, I know this meal is unfamiliar to many, so if you want to see how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. First, I'm going to clean my prawns by removing the shell and vein. You can also use any protein of your choice. Next, I will season with all-purpose seasoning and chili flakes. I will mix well to combine and set aside. I will be adding mushrooms. I'm going to clean it by peeling off the skin and cut it into bite sizes. Next, I will transfer it in a pot and season with all-purpose seasoning and minced garlic. I will mix well to combine, cover and allow it to cook down or until the water dries up. The next step is to pan fry the prawns. In a preheated oil, I will add the marinated prawns and allow it to pan fry for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and set aside for later use. To make the couscous, in the same oil I will go in with my chopped onions, minced garlic, fresh parsley, curry powder, seasoning cube, all-purpose seasoning. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next, I will add my couscous. I will mix very well to combine. Next, I will add water and chili flakes. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook on a low heat until the couscous absorbs the water. At this time, I check on the couscous and it has absorbed all the water, and look at that, it looks very fluffy. I'm going to set it aside. In another pan, I will add my coconut oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my vegetables, red, green bell pepper, carrots and sweet corn. I will slightly season with all-purpose seasoning and salt. I will mix well to combine and add the cooked mushroom and prawns. I will mix very well to combine and transfer it to the cooked couscous. I will mix very well until everything is well combined. And we are done cooking. You guys, this meal is super delicious. Serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.